Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cook with Surbhi. Today I am going to show you the recipe of chicken tikka. So see how soft, juicy and tempting this chicken looks. I hope you will like this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. So now let's get started. Here we have taken 1 kg of boneless chicken, or you can say chicken tikka cut. So here first of all I am taking first marination. For that I need salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, and here I am having this ginger garlic paste. Okay, so first of all I am going to take 2 to 2.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, then 1 teaspoon or 1 to 2 teaspoon of salt as per your taste, then half teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. So now I am going to mix it. So we have to mix all these spices so that it will coat the chicken very well. Once this is mixed, I am going to keep it aside for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, here I am taking lemon juice. So we are taking 3 to 4 teaspoon of this lemon juice, and then again we are going to give a very good mix. Once it is mixed, I am going to keep it aside for 45 minutes to 1 hour. In the meanwhile, I am going to prepare second marination. For that I need 6 tablespoons of thick curd, then half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and half to 1 teaspoon of this garam masala powder. Now here I am having some ginger garlic paste. So approx 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste I am adding here. And now with the help of this hand whisker, I am going to give it a mix. So now once this is mixed, I am going to add a very secret ingredient, that is the mustard oil, sarson tel. So mustard oil we are going to take about 3 to 4 teaspoon. And after then I am having some dried leaves of kasturi methi. So I am rubbing it on my palm and put it inside this second marination. See, this kasuri methi is having a very good fragrance, and it will bring a very good taste in the chicken. So now I'm going to give it a very good mix. So now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water to this basin so that a smooth mixture will become. No lump should be there, and I'm going to mix this mixture to that curd mixture, if you can see here. And then I'm going to give it a mix. Once this is mixed, we are going to put our chicken that has been marinated with the first marination into this curd mixture. And I have mixed it with my hands so that all the pieces are evenly coated. Then I'm going to keep this mixture aside for about 2 to 3 hours. After 2.5 hours, I have taken out the skews. I am having all these skews. You can use the wooden one also. I am having here the steel one. I am going to grease these skews with the help of melted butter. I am having a brush. If you don't have that brush, you can use the cotton as well. So I have to coat it with butter or any oil so that the chicken would not get stick into it. Also the wire rack, we have to grease that wire rack as well. See, I'm greasing here the wire rack. Yes. After 2.5 hours, I am going to put this marinated chicken into this skews like this. And we must maintain some distance between the pieces. So in the market they use some colors to give it a very orange look. Here I have not used any artificial color. Everything is used is very natural. And the ingredients which I have used here, these are easily available at your home. Once all the chicken are done, I am left with some more marination. So here I have diced some onions and capsicums and I am mixing it in that marination. Now I am going to put this marinated onions and capsicums into that skewers. So you can see the skewers are ready. I have preheated my oven at 220 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. Here I am having butter. I am going to grease all these chicken with butter. And then I am going to put it into the oven for 25 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. I have kept it in the middle row, if you can see here. Then after 25 minutes we are going to take it out and again grease it with butter and keep it inside this microwave or OTG for again 15 to 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. After then you can see our chicken tikka is ready, As of now it's very hot, so be careful in touching any of the rods. Once it's a bit cooled down, I will show you. At the end also I am going to brush it with butter. If you can see, I have brushed all the chicken pieces with butter. So with this butter you can see the shine, and it will be soft. It will be soft to eat. Now I am going to serve it. You can see on the skew rods no chickens are getting stuck because we have greased that skew rods with butter. I am serving it with green chutney, and you see the texture, see the softness, juiciness, and it has been cooked very properly. So hope you all have liked my video. Please do subscribe for further more recipes. Thank you.